Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, take a look at this amazing AI-generated result. This entire cinematic scene was created with the help of AI in just a few steps, and the best part is that everything was made using one powerful platform called WeryAI. In today's video, we are going to explore this amazing AI platform. WeryAI is an all-in-one AI tool where you can generate creative ideas, create images, generate videos, and even make character videos with powerful AI models. One of the best things about this platform is that it supports multiple advanced AI models. These include models like Nano Banana, Kling 3.0, Sora 2, Google Veo 3, and many more. So instead of using different tools for different tasks, you can do everything in one place. Let's start from the first step of the workflow using the chat feature. If I click on the chat option, you will see a simple chat interface. Here you can type any idea or concept you want to create. At the top, you can also choose the AI model you want to use. WeryAI supports multiple models such as ChatGPT, Claude Sonnet, Gemini, Grok, and others. Each model has different strengths, so you can choose the one that fits your needs. Now, I will type a prompt like, "Give me creative ideas for a cinematic scene of a man in a packed football stadium, cheering wildly as a player scores a sudden goal, capturing the crowd's excitement, dynamic angles, vibrant stadium lights, and high-energy cinematic atmosphere." After typing the prompt, I will click on the Generate button. Now, the Gemini 3 Pro model will start processing the request. Within a few moments, it generates creative ideas based on the prompt. As you can see, it provides a detailed result including the background setting, lighting style, mood, camera angles, and visual elements. It even suggests multiple creative variations for the scene. Now, we can use this same idea to generate visuals. For that, we will move to the creation section where we can generate images and videos. First, I will start with the image generator using the text-to-image feature. Now, we can use this same idea to generate visuals. First, I will start with the image generator using the text-to-image feature. To generate an image, you simply need to enter a prompt describing the image you want. Cinematic football stadium at night. A passionate fan standing in the crowd cheering wildly as a player scores a last-minute goal. Dramatic lighting, vibrant stadium lights, motion blur crowd, confetti in the air, ultra-realistic, 4K, shallow depth of field, dynamic angle, high-energy sports atmosphere. As you can see, WeryAI offers different creation options such as text-to-image, image-to-image, and character-to-image. First, I will choose the text-to-image option. After that, I will select the mode. For better results, I will choose the model comparison mode. Here you can see several models available such as Nano Banana Pro, Cdance, Google Veo 3, and other powerful models. Now I will select a few models. After that, I can also choose the aspect ratio, adjust the settings, and configure other options according to my needs. Once everything is ready, I will click on the Generate button. Now, the AI will start processing the prompt and creating the images. After a few moments, you can see the generated results on the screen. With this AI image feature, you can generate multiple high-quality images in just a few seconds. If you like any result, you can download it in full HD quality and use it in your projects. Next, we have video section. If you want, you can also create videos directly from text using the text-to-video feature. For this, just paste the prompt, select the AI model, adjust the settings like resolution and duration, and click on the Generate button. Within a short time, the AI creates a video based on the text description. So with WeryAI, you can easily go from idea to image and then from image to video using a simple connected workflow. Now, let's take the generated image and turn it into a video using the image to video feature. Then, I will open the image to video option and upload the image. Here, You can also adjust the settings such as the AI model, video duration, aspect ratio, and resolution. Once everything is ready, I will click on the Generate button. After a short time, the AI processes the image and converts it into a cinematic video with motion and visual effects. As you can see, the static football stadium scene has now turned into a dynamic, high-energy match moment. If you want quick results without writing prompts, you can use these ready-made templates. Here you can find multiple image and video templates that you can try instantly. For example, I will try the Clone Studio Portrait template. I just need to upload an image and click the Generate button. After processing, you can see the template effect applied to the image, giving it a professional studio-style look. Now, let's try another template. This time, I will select the Simpsons-style template. After clicking the Generate button, the AI converts the image into a cartoon-style Simpsons character. So, as you can see, there are many creative templates and inspirations available that you can use for both images and videos. Overall, WeryAI is a powerful platform where you can generate ideas with AI chat, create images, turn images into videos, and even generate videos directly from text. Everything works together in one smooth workflow. If you want to try this tool yourself, the link is available in the description, so make sure to check it out and share your experience in the comments. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.